Hello everyone, how to fix TENDA O3 version 1, TENDA O3 version 1 wireless power cannot up or down TX power. To fix these problems after updates to last framework to the last last firmware, after upgrade to last firmware, wireless will be not allow move the TX bar more 8 dBm. So we need go to the tool, maintenance, and make a backup from settings. After save, we need open this file configurations. After save, we need open this file configuration with Notepad++, and go to the search in line 13 and line 14. We say 8 and 8. We need a date main power to 20 and max power to 28, and save. Now back to the your O3 and make to the backup and register the backup after a date. Register backup after a date. Okay. Waiting to the finish update. We will go to the wireless and see we can move the dBm to max dBm for this device. Thank you for watching. Don't forget subscribe in my video channel. Have a nice day.